Hey y'all, are you looking for an affordable LiDAR solution? Well, this might be the time for you to take a look at this. Typically, we're selling our sensors, the LiveVox V70 sensor, at about $40,000, and now we're greatly reducing that as the end of summer special so that you can get your construction work done. With that said, what we're offering here is a LiveVox sensor at 250,000 points, 3 returns, and a high intensity response with a 5 centimeter global accuracy rating here. What that comes with is the sensor, a 24 megapixel integrated geospatial camera that you can do photogrammetry, orthomosaics, and colorized LiDAR on, and then perpetual software that allows you to make all this work. So no maintenance fees, no subscription fees, you own the software. And to quickly take a look at that, if I take you down here to below, here is what that data looks like. So here's your colorized. I'm going to take you through the intensity view. This again is the software that you would be using on here, so you can see how refined, look at how refined this information is on here. And you could even take a look, let's go ahead and pull up back into RGB. You can see how much vegetation penetration you're actually getting here. Along with this, as you look at this tape bar here, this is a complete workflow. So you're doing the big 3 that a lot of folks will do, but in addition, you can do further calibration of your data. We can take you into the other tools here where you can get rid of overlap. You can do transformations and reprojections if you need to, which is huge for you guys in the surveying world. You can get rid of your noise. You can do your control reports, vertical control reports, and you can adjust it if you need to before you even deliver your LAS point cloud. So guys, this is a complete workflow. Okay, so if this excites you, the other things that we can add on to this, is, our drone in the box, which is everything included, an M300, your base station, your RTK station, your survey poles, an additional camera if you wanted, all fitting within one box that fits onto an aircraft under 50 pounds. So you don't have to wrangle with a lot of gear. It fits into the trunk of your car, and it comes with a 8 battery charging station. In addition, you can get our advanced flight automation, which I can show you that will allow you to do 3-dimensional flight planning, terrain follow, which is important, you guys. You can pull in your control work, you can pull in your field boundary work, so you can do effective planning, and you can export that out to other people in the field. It even flies your calibration flight, or pre-calibration when you're getting ready to do each flight. In addition, you get access to our drone university, or our LiDAR university, which, again, has a part online and a physical presence if you choose to have it. So if this interests you, click the link below. That will get you into a free consultation with me. And so what we're going to do is talk about your use case. We'll talk about this sensor in more detail. I will take and open up different data sets for you to evaluate. And I'll take you through a complete workflow so that you can see how this stuff is processed right from the get-go. So with that, click the link below. We'll get started. And you'll see that you can get this for $900 a month. Perfect. Talk to you guys soon.